Welcome to Behind the Trigger, and today we're going to be doing the dash bolt lift kit on the Savage Access. It's relatively easy to do. The biggest reason I'm doing it is because this bolt extremely stiff right there to cock. So we're going to try to take care of that today. Now we got the bolt out. This is actually relatively easy to disassemble. All you got to do is start by decocking the bolt, which you just push that, snaps down. Need a 1/4 inch Allen wrench, and it just gets inserted right here at the end. I'm going to say I already had this bolt off, so it is relatively loose. It did take a tremendous amount of pressure to break this screw down. Just take it out. It's relatively easy. You don't have to really disassemble the bolt fully. And the Savage Access actually has the new one-piece firing pin. So it's comprised of 2 springs. You got this heavy industrial spring right here. Then you got this spring right here, and that holds this pin in. We don't need to take it out. It comes with this spacer, 2 washers, almost identical, and a bearing. Pretty simple kit. Both the washers have grooves in them, and there's actually a little, you gotta take this little donut washer out. Okay, we got the little washer out. Set that aside. Now what we gotta do is take the race, one of the races, make sure the groove is facing up, drop it over the cocking indicator. We're going to take the bearing. I don't think it matters which way's up, which way's down. We're going to drop that on there. Then we're going to take the other race. We're going to stick that on. And we're going to grab the bolt handle and put that back on. Hopefully we got oriented the right way, which that looks about right. Take the spring, stick that in. We're just going to take the spacer, put it over top the cap. And start it, tighten it up. Tighten it up. We ain't gonna torque it, anything like that. We're just gonna make sure it's nice and tight. And when you go to take this cap off the first time, you're gonna see how tight it is. Now, in order to get this back into the rifle, you do have to recock it. Using your thumb, you might be able to do it, but it's gonna tear up your hands. So what I suggest is just get a piece of wood, like this is just a paint stick, and just get it on an angle, kind of like that, and push it till it locks in. And that's going to be the easiest way. You're not beating the bolt or the cocking stud. You're not tearing up your hands, and it's effective. Alright, so we're going to put this back in the rifle, and we're going to see if it made any difference. Installing that lift kit actually helped it out a lot. It made the bolt way more manageable. So I think outside of replacing the bolt handle, that might be about it. Till next time.